Hi everyone, I am Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to make a video for beginners because my surrounding area people also ask me how the beginners start their English practice. So I want suggest some idea for beginners. If you are very beginner, you have to listen and watch more English videos because first you need get input. Input means knowledge about English. Input we get two manner. One is listening and another one is watching. This manner we get input because when we listen English, that time we get knowledge about English, and when we watch, that time also we can understand body language and how can communicate with the people. This kind of idea we get first. So my opinion, if you are very beginner, you have to watch and listen English even 1 month. You have to watch 1 month continuously. You watch and listen English. After, you can join any speaking WhatsApp groups. I also created my own WhatsApp group 1 year ago, and there are 600 people. They are practicing now continuously. They have been practicing continuously, and I am one of the admins from other group also. There also I think 800 people joined. That's why if you like to join in my group this kind of groups, I will add your number in this kind of groups. And I told you, first you should listen and watch English as much as you can. After 1 month you can join, and slowly, gradually, you can practice English. If you do this manner practice, you can improve your English skill. And first of all, I want to tell you, if you want to become fluent English, it will take time. And that's why I can't tell you can speak English within 6 months, within 1 year, within 3 months. I can't give you the time duration. It depends upon your ability, your practice, and your intelligence. So different people have different manner intelligent, and different people they practice different manner, and that's why. But my opinion, if you practice, definitely you can become fluent in English. That's a very important matter because some people think, other people have ability to improve their English skill. I can't. But you never think this kind of bad things because you speak your mother tongue very fluently. So how did you learn your mother tongue? First, you started to listen from your parents, neighbors, surrounding area people. After you started to speak your mother tongue. So when you start to learn a new language, you can follow the same method. You can listen and watch English videos. Nowadays it's very good situation because we get all types of videos from YouTube. You can utilize this kind of videos and you can watch, listen as much as possible. After 1 or 2 months, you can join in our WhatsApp groups and you can practice in our WhatsApp groups. If you do consistent practice, you can improve your English skill. It's very important matter. Practice make perfect. I also, before joined, I was complete zero. I didn't know anything about English, but I have been practicing consistently. That's why I got this ability. But I am not a perfect person. I have to improve more. But I am trying to improve my skill all the time. And I try to inspire other people because my beginning time I struggled more. If I inspire other people, they will get some good advice from my side. That's why I try to inspire other people. If you get some good message from me, I'm very happy because my beginning time so many people helped me. That's why I became this manner. So I also try to improve more. Okay, and I give you all the good advice from my channel. If you subscribe my channel, you will get continuously my messages. So you should subscribe my channel, like and comment. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.